Hey everyone, you know the kitchen might be the heart of the home, but let's be real, the bedroom is where the magic happens. It's our ultimate escape from the chaos of life, and today we're gonna transform it with style and sass. Now, I don't know about you, but my bedroom, like Vegas, what happens there stays there, and only a select few are allowed in. So if you want to go wild and unleash your inner interior design beast, this is your chance. Because let's face it, we all want to hear our guests say, "Wow, what a cozy, stylish nook you've got there." And trust me, with the next creative clutter-crushing ideas, you'll be the envy of every design enthusiast. So put on your decorating hats and prepare to laugh with Simp Home as we dive into bedroom makeovers where style, solace, and a sprinkle of humor come together in perfect harmony. A DIY wooden open cabinet idea with leather loops. Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Are you ready for a small bedroom makeover that's guaranteed to impress? Get ready to laugh a little and learn as we dive into the DIY world with a wooden open cabinet idea featuring stylish leather loops. You know that feeling when your bedroom's so cluttered it resembles a black hole? Well, we're about to change that with this sleek and simple designer wardrobe project. Partnering with Le Bon Coin, we've found the perfect low cabinet to use as our base. With some curtain rods, a wooden board, and a touch of leather, we'll create a wardrobe that screams sophistication and saves space. And hey, if you score a cabinet with a drawer or a small chest, you've got yourself extra storage too. For about €70 and 2 hours of your time, you'll transform that cluttered chaos into a sleek, organized haven. First, position those wooden rods on either side of the cabinet, then attach them with screws. Next, cut a wooden board to size and create openings for the rods. Don't forget to add the sleek leather loops for that hanging bar. Finally, choose your wardrobe's height, screw it all together, and insert that hanging rod. There you have it, a stylish and space-saving wardrobe that'll have you proud all the way to a clutter-free bedroom. A DIY platform bed idea with extra sneaky drawers. Hey, clutter fighters, are you ready to transform your small bedroom into an organized oasis? Let me introduce you to your new best friend, the DIY platform bed with drawers. Say goodbye to messy piles of clothes and books and hello to a new storage victory. Imagine this, a sturdy wooden platform bed that doubles as a secret storage haven. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I'm no carpenter. Trust me, with a bit of elbow grease and a little sense of basic math, you'll be building this beauty in no time. First things first, measure your space and decide on the size of your platform bed. Then, have your trusty OBI cutting service do the heavy lifting and cut your wooden pieces to size. Remember, it's not cheating, it's delegating. Now, let's put this puzzle together. Attach your base plates, partitions, and sidewalls like a pro with the help of a friend or even your dog. I mean, they have paws, right? Finish the pedestal base by screwing on the second base plate, and that's it. The foundation is complete. Time for the pièce de résistance, the drawers. With a bit of rope, Euro boxes, and wooden panels, you'll create functional and stylish drawer fronts. Connect the Euro boxes, slide them into the pedestal, and crown your masterpiece with a cozy mattress. And there you have it, a chic platform bed with sneaky storage space, perfect for those small bedrooms. Trust me, you'll be sleeping soundly and clutter-free in no time. Sweet dreams, DIY Victor. A silent server for the bedroom to keep your garment wrinkle-free. Hey there, fashion-forward folks. Are you tired of waking up to a crumbled mess of clothes because your bedroom's turned into a garment graveyard? Well, today we're building a silent server, the ultimate bedroom butler to keep your outfits wrinkle-free and ready to rock. Imagine having your own personal butler, minus the British accent, taking care of your clothes like a pro. Our DIY silent server is here to save the day with its impressive features. Number 1, a hanger to keep those shirts and jackets looking sharp. Number 2, a holder for those crease-free suit trousers. Number 3, a shoe rack to display your favorite kicks. No more morning hide and seek. Number 4, a drawer for your precious accessories, gadgets, and style essentials. Now, let's dive into the world of DIY, but be warned, you'll need some advanced skills and tools for this project. We don't want any wardrobe malfunctions, right? Start by aligning the panel with wire pins, cutting the hanger bracket into a trapezoidal shape using a precision miter saw and screwing it to the rear wall. Pre-drill, glue, and screw the complete holder through the bars. Cut short pieces of dowel rod, glue them into the tenon countersinks, and sand them smooth. And for the grand finale, mount matching furniture glides under the foot parts to protect your precious flooring. That's it. You've just created a stylish, functional, and wrinkle-free haven for your clothes. Your bedroom will be the envy of all, and you'll be strutting your stuff in crease-free style. A multi-purpose cupboard idea with folding table and lights. Hey there, space-saving superheroes. Are you tired of cluttered dining tables and endless packing and unpacking? Well, I've got a clutter hack to transform your life. A multi-purpose cupboard with a folding table and lights. It's like a superhero's secret lair for DIY projects. Or, as I like to call it, the ultimate hide-and-seek champion of home organization. To kick things off, you'll need to decide on the dimensions of your table and cupboard. Remember, size does matter when it comes to fitting this bad boy into your small bedroom. Also, embrace the beauty of the metric system. Sorry, my fellow Americans, to make calculations a breeze. Next, get ready to make that plywood look like $1 million. Clamp a straight edge and use a router with a V-bit to give it a fancy tongue and groove appearance. You'll be turning $40 plywood into $80 plywood. Talk about a DIY glow up. As for cabinet, add fixed and adjustable shelves for maximum versatility. Pro tip, don't drill all the way through and watch out for the corners. You don't want any surprise shelf droppings. Now let's bring in the lights. Opt for a concertina-style setup that extends out far but keeps things compact. Just be sure to route slots for the locking mechanism to fit perfectly in both extended and retracted positions. Safety first. Make sure everything is unplugged and consult an expert when dealing with electrical wiring. After all, we want our project to be electrifying in a good way. And there you have it, a multi-purpose cupboard that's ready to save the day and keep your home looking spick and span. No more messy dining tables and furious packing marathons. Repurposed idea, a DIY selective sorting bin project. We've arrived at our final idea. So are you ready to save the sight of your bedroom one dirty shirt at a time? Let's build a DIY selective sorting bin that's so stylish, even your bedroom will say, "Thank you." First, channel your inner Bob Vila and assemble the sorting box's back, bottom, and sides. Next, pop the top on and make sure it's glued and screwed tighter than a hipster's skinny jeans. Now it's time to drill those holes. Remember, measure twice, drill once. Think of it as playing connect the dots with power tools. And don't forget to sand and deburr. Nobody wants a splinter while saving the environment. Next, assemble the intermediate shelf for your high boxes. Feeling a bit like Tetris, right? Trace, drill, and screw the tilting panel, just like assembling your favorite Swedish furniture, but without the funny names. For the drawer, glue and screw them together. Assemble the front and draw those lines like Picasso before cutting with a jigsaw. Remember to sand, after all, smooth edges make for happy hands. Now, add a handle. That's the cherry on top of this eco-friendly masterpiece. Attach the runners and your new drawer is almost complete. Finally, fix the soles under the repurposed bin and give it a good sanding. Pop in the crates and get ready to sort your clutter like a laundry sorter master. So grab your tools and let's build a repurposed sorting bin that'll make your clutter detector silent and turn your bedroom interior look more fabulous. That's it for now, and my deep appreciation is still seeing you through this time. Come back around a week with the second part of the video, and may you have better control over your bedroom clutter later. Well, that's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching this video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Like the video if you believe it'll motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly, though, it is more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project, and we'll see you again soon.